This is why every trader must know fundamentals in order to succeed in these financial markets. We have to remember as traders, right? The assets that we're trading are being influenced by underlying fundamentals. The value is being influenced by fundamentals. The direction is being influenced by fundamentals. These currencies are being valued based upon the economy's performance. If we're seeing decent growth, if the labor market is healthy, the amount of people in work, wages are solid, inflation is stable, not too high, not too low, or whether on the rise or on the fall. That's all influencing the value of the currencies that we're trading. If you're not aware of the fundamentals, what's going on in an economy, I'm not asking you to be a chief economist of an investment bank. I'm just asking you to have a base level knowledge, just as you would. And I always use this analogy. When you get into your car, if you drive, you know the core components of that car. You know the steering wheel, you know the brake, you know the accelerator, the gear if you have a manual car. You know all these core components. When you're trading the financial markets, whether it's commodities, whether it's currencies, indices, you must know the core components that's influencing that asset if you want to have longevity and if you want more consistency, if you want to improve upon your overall trading profitability. It's important that you know, because if you're unaware of what's going on and you're tone deaf to fundamental narratives that's influencing the direction ultimately, okay? If you're unaware of key economic data points that are coming out and getting caught off guard because you're not aware of what the markets are expecting heading into these data points, what are all the big institutions talking about? How is the market positioning itself for this key economic data point? Again, you're potentially shaving off many percentage points and profitability off your statement, your trading statement. As I said, you do not need to be a massive expert, but you can start building upon your knowledge. It's not going to come easily, okay, as technicals do. Technicals are a lot easier. Your fundamentals is going to take a little bit more time. It's going to take a little bit more practice, and you're going to have to really try and enjoy it and practice it every single day by reading little summary pieces, and they're summarized quite nicely today. The years ago, when I was an analyst, it was very overcomplicated. A lot of jargon, but now things are getting simplified a lot more, and there's a lot more content creators out there. So just read these little summary pieces just to understand the general talking points, as I say, just at least you know, okay, are we talking about the FOMC cutting rates? Are we talking about China potentially has low growth? Just know what the talking points are, because these are going to have underlying effects and forcing direction of the assets that you're trading. So yes, you must have a general understanding or a base knowledge of fundamentals in order to succeed and have longevity in these financial markets.